Today we're doing a European hand-tied bouquet. We've got Asiatic lily stock, which is like Wall Street stock. We've got yarrow, we've got roses, pretty white roses, and hypericum berry, and America's favorite flower, carnations. Yeah, I know you hate them. Here we go. You're gonna cross the stems. We're teaching you how to do a European hand-tie day. You don't want to do straight up and down, you want to cross and keep them all about, look at me, just about the same height with a little slightly lower as you go on. Look at this, crossing, then switch hands. Don't hold it real high. You hold it a little lower, and look what I'm doing. Just come from all angles, looking at the top. Oops, see, now I need more stock. I got a lot of stock in there, one side, so I gotta put it all around. And let me add a few more flowers. So that's where I'm at so far. Crisscrossing through your hand, like swords from a magician's box, coming from all angles. Lots of pink carnations to use. So look what I'm doing. I'm adjusting it a little bit, putting them nice and flat. It's pretty much a flat bouquet with a slight curve. You gotta get used to this, just holding those things and opening a few fingers. Watch I do this. I just open a few fingers and pinch it and then wrap the rest of my hand in it. All right, ooh, you're better already, your second time. Keep going, yep, keep grabbing on this. I'm going to show the camera mine so far. This bouquet is good for any reason. Going to a dinner party, welcome to the neighborhood, second date, I love you mom, happy birthday, just because. I'm going to circle mine with a little bit of lemon leaf, like that, just to put a little garnish on the plate, and it fills out your design. And then I push these down, I go like this. People think, we have schools, as I said, around the country. Watch the videos on my website. You'll see what guys like Herman do after 1 week. Spectacular work. It's easy if you're taught properly. I used to work on Wall Street in New York, and I went home to Milwaukee, where I'm from, walked into a flower shop. Long story short, I never left. I can learn this. This is a trade. It's math, science, and architecture. A little bit of greens and you're done. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do this, Flower School 101, what's the secret to my flowers living for weeks, not a week? Average American is 5 days, weeks. Bleach in the water, crowning glory on the top. Where is it? Right here. This will seal your flowers in matte. It's basically a melted candle in a bottle, and it'll seal everything, and your flowers will last you 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 weeks. European hand-tied bouquet. Good, now at the camera. Bye-bye. Flowerschool101.com. See you in class.